Hey, what's up guys, it's PMHK here. So if you're not already part of the Homecrafted family, make sure you go down there and subscribe so you can join the Homecrafted family. We have fun in this channel. You can ask anyone by the comment section if we do have fun or not. That's if you're new. So today we are looking at wireless charging pad. If you've been watching a couple of my videos, you'll know that actually I only realized it today. Most of my batteries are actually Romos. Okay, I tend to get this name wrong, but it's Romos, not Rosmos. So this is a chargeable battery, but it comes with a trick up its sleeve. So let's unbox and check what's inside the package. As usual, I'm shooting from the kitchen and I have a lot of knives here available at my disposal. I got this one here, this one, and I have a couple more, so we can choose which one to use to unbox this item. Actually, I don't think I need a knife to open this. We actually think we have a pull tab actually. So let me pull the pull tab. Okay, what's interesting about this battery is, let's read the box. What's up with me in Chinese? Most of the packages I get actually these days have Chinese written on them. So at least this one also has in English. So it says wireless charging pad. The Romos wireless charging pad can charge most digital products with wireless charging function. Actually, that's one of the reasons I went and buy this guy, because as you guys know, the iPhone 10 has wireless capability with its glass pack. So I wanted to go out and try out how it charges. This obviously doesn't have a fast charging, so it's gonna charge pretty slow. So in the front it says wireless charging pad, FreeMOS, wireless charge slim. I'm guessing it comes with a slim design. It doesn't really say anything about the voltage. Okay, there's the voltage, but the capacity, I'm not sure how many milliamp hours is. And another thing that is nice about this product, it's only 169 rands. I'm gonna have a link in the comments, in the description of this item, so you guys can maybe go and pick it up if you guys like it. So let's continue with this unboxing. I actually love the package. Wow, and that's it. Oh, okay. I was thinking this was going to be a power bank and a wireless charging battery, but I think I was mistaken. It's just a charging pad. How can I make such a mistake? Anyways, we're just gonna go and see how it works, but it's fairly simple. So it should be coming with a USB connection, so I can connect it to the power, which is really short. Why do they have such short USB connection? Okay, anyway, so this is the USB cable. Put these things on the side. I'm actually kind of disappointed. I thought this was going to be a wireless charging battery, a power bank that has also the capability of charging my phone wirelessly, but it's not. I guess I'm going to have to go back to the internet and search for what I was actually looking for in the first place. So let's go and plug this guy on anyways. So you plug it on there. It uses micro USB cable. Plug is on there, and let me pull my extension plug here. Close. I'm just trying not to switch off my studio lights, so I don't know if that's on frame. As you guys can see, this is an extension that I bought a couple of months ago. That was sometime last year, and it comes with two USB ports. I actually got it from Checkers. Amazing, right? So all you gotta do is plug in there. It doesn't show if you have power or not. Shouldn't be like a light or something? So you plug in there and hopefully it's going to work. So you plug in there and you place your device on top of it, and that's it. It's charging. So I don't know at which speed this guy is going to charge, but it's going to charge pretty slow because it does not support fast charging. So it's as easy as that. So you connect everything. You connect the micro USB to your USB port, and then you connect the other end to your wireless tab or wireless pad, as they call it. Romos wireless pad, FreeMOS 1. I'm kind of disappointed because I thought this was gonna be a wireless battery that I could take anywhere. Just charge it, take anywhere, place, and it charges. But it's not. As I said, I'm gonna have to go back and look for another one. So what you gotta do is you plug it in. If I can get it to plug in. Okay, it was upside down. You plug it in and voila, it's charging. It's actually charging with a cover, eh? So you're not gonna have a problem if you want to charge your phone with a cover. This is actually a very thick cover. So all you gotta do is you grab your phone, you plug everything in, and you put it there. This is gonna come in handy probably by your nightstand when you're going to bed. It's much easier for you just to drop your phone to charge and not fidget with a lightning connection. So this guy also comes with a rubber ring here, which is gonna allow your phone not to slip. So all you gotta do is, you also got a rubber ring, rubber bottoms, you got rubber feet. So all you gotta do is place the device, connect it there, and you go and drop the device. And that's it, nothing more. So this is gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna go out there and see if I can find another charging pad. Not necessarily a charging pad, because as I said, I was looking for something that I can wirelessly charge my phone while it has its own juice inside, which this one does not have. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys are not already part of the Homecrafted family, as I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I am PMHK, which stands for Pedro Mwanza Homecrafted. So I'm Homecrafted. If you guys want to be Homecrafted, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm already mumbling, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Actually, I have a giveaway that's going on right now on Instagram and also here in the channel. It's gonna end on Saturday. I should announce both winners on Saturday, probably on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go and follow me on Instagram, and I will announce the winners there this coming Saturday. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.